Alrighty, so this is how I make a birdhouse. This is going to be the giveaway prize. We will talk more about that here shortly. But in the meantime, you want to take your sides, mark them. Obviously the roof, you just need to find center on. But your sides, you're going to have to want to mark into fourths. And I'll show you why. So I'm going to start with the sides. And all you do is give it a notch where you want it to bend. And then you bend. So once you got your base, I like these guys right here. And you take it just on the lip. And you just bend it in. Fold it over. And now you see what those tabs were notched out for. Do the same thing to the other one. So then you take your front and your back pieces. It's going to be two separate plates. In the middle, you put a dot. And then you're going to want to draw an angle from each corner, fold these down, and make a set of ears. I'll show you when I'm finished. So you should have dog ears, like so. Both sides. The roof, pretty self-explanatory. You keep working until you have a nice pitch. Alright, you have your sides, front, back, and roof. Now all of these pieces go together and make a license plate birdhouse. So now that you have all your pieces, the real fun begins. Fitting all the pieces together. That should work. Cool. I find drilling a small pilot hole works best. A little self-tapper. 1/2-inch screws. Starting to look like a birdhouse yet? You interested in a birdhouse yet? Yeah, it's starting to look kind of cool, isn't it? I think so. So far, so good, right? There you have it. It's obviously not 100% done, but I think I'm going to make this the front and this the back. So I need to use, to make an entry hole here. And that's really easy. Might need a new bit. But there you go. And a bird stem. Alrighty, so after that sloppy drill job, I had to file off the burr. I saved you the irritating sound of that. And then I prefer just a long bolt. I think it adds to the whole uniqueness of the birdhouse. And then it's as simple as reassembly. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, all right, dude, what do we got to do? Well, of course, you got to be a subscriber. You got to tell me that you're interested in the contest. You got to tell me that you want to end the contest. And I think we're just going to leave it that simple. No complicated pageantry, no games. Simple. Like a license plate birdhouse. There are a couple of conditions, I suppose. I will not redirect your wind. Whereas, for instance, Captain Jerk wins and says, send it to Lyle. No, I'm not going to do it. You win, you get it. What you choose to do with it, that's all on you, my friend. You can put 3 pounds of tannerite in it, blow it to smithereens. Doesn't matter. It's your price. You can do with it what you will. I just made it simply as a way saying thank you. So again, I thank you. I appreciate you. And if I can hang on to my screwdriver, I'll get this thing put back together. I was thinking about calling it a 200 subscriber giveaway, but to be honest, I haven't really been counting subscribers. I'm not monetized. I don't plan on being monetized. I purely do this for fun, to help keep me motivated on my Volkswagens. But when my Volkswagens irritate me and I get frustrated, I try and find ways to channel. So there you have it. One winner, one prize, one license plate birdhouse. Let me know in the comments down below who's interested. We'll let this run for 2 weeks. Today is Monday, the 12th. I might have to correct that. 2 weeks.